Mystery train falls off the track 3 times. Wonder who it will be. But the past 2 rounds, Salty has beaten Peter, Sam, Steven, and Boko. And Water Diesel has beat Bash, Toby, and Stanley. Let's see who I pick this time. First is Henry. 2 is Talking Toby. 3 is Lightning Thomas. And 4 is Douglas. Henry is starting off now. Now it's Talking Toby's turn. Now it is Lightning Thomas's turn. And now it is Doug's turn. And now Talking Toby has fell off. And the winner is Henry. Good job, Henry.